Certainly. Here's a detailed chapter outline for the book idea, From Novice to Ninja, Mastering the Fundamentals of Coding. Chapter 1, Introduction. Introduce the book's purpose, to provide a comprehensive guide for beginners to learn and master coding. Discuss the importance of coding skills in today's digital world. Set expectations for the reader's journey from novice to coding ninja. Chapter 2, Getting Started with Coding. Demystify coding by explaining fundamental concepts like algorithms, variables, data types, and control structures. Provide an overview of popular programming languages and their applications. Introduce the necessary tools and software for coding, such as integrated development environments, IDEs, and code editors. Chapter 3, Setting up your development environment. Guide readers through the process of setting up their development environment, including installing and configuring necessary software and tools. Explain the importance of version control systems, such as Git, and how to set up a repository for managing code. Chapter 4, Building Blocks of Coding, Syntax and Logic. Dive into the syntax of a chosen programming language, e.g., Python, JavaScript, and explain its basic building blocks, such as variables, operators, and functions. Discuss control structures like conditionals and loops and explain how they are used to control program flow. Chapter 5, Writing Your First Programs. Walk readers through the process of writing their first programs, starting with simple, hello, world, examples. Introduce debugging techniques to help readers troubleshoot and fix common coding errors. Provide exercises and coding challenges to reinforce the concepts covered. Chapter 6, Understanding Data Structures. Explore essential data structures like arrays, lists, dictionaries, and linked lists. Explain their purpose, usage, and performance characteristics. Discuss common operations and algorithms associated with each data structure. Chapter 7, Working with Functions and Modules. Deepen readers' understanding of functions and their role in organizing and reusing code. Explain how to define, call, and pass parameters to functions. Introduce the concept of modules and how to leverage them to create modular and maintainable code. Chapter 8, Object-Oriented Programming, OOP, Fundamentals. Introduce the principles and concepts of object-oriented programming. Explain classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Demonstrate how OOP enhances code organization, reusability, and maintainability. Chapter 9, Handling Input and Output. Cover various input-output techniques, such as reading from and writing to files, working with user input, and interacting with databases. Discuss error handling and exception handling to ensure robustness in code. Chapter 10, Building Simple Projects. Guide readers through the process of building simple coding projects to apply the concepts learned. Provide step-by-step instructions and code samples for projects like a calculator, a to-do list, or a basic game. Chapter 11, Going Beyond the Basics. Explore advanced topics and techniques that expand readers' coding skills, such as recursion, algorithms, and data manipulation. Introduce additional libraries, frameworks, or technologies relevant to the chosen programming language. Chapter 12, Becoming a Coding Ninja. Summarize the reader's journey from novice to coding ninja. Provide guidance on further learning resources, communities, and opportunities for advancing coding skills. Encourage readers to continue exploring new technologies and languages to stay up to date in the ever-evolving world of coding. Each chapter should include practical examples, exercises, and coding challenges to engage readers and reinforce their learning. The book should progressively build upon the concepts introduced, allowing readers to gain confidence and proficiency in coding.